Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can enable night light in Windows 10. So for that you have to go to settings. Okay, then go to systems, then go to night light settings. Okay, here is you will see an option called schedule night light. Okay, click it and press on and set hours, which means what time you want to see your night light. So for example, I want to show it from 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, as you can see that my night light has been on, so it is 6:45 p.m. in my device, so the night light has been on. So this is how you can enable the night light option in Windows 10. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.